Okay. So the next one is asking us what's square root of 90. Okay. So let's copy that down. Square root of 90. Okay. So in order to solve a radical problem, we need to find factors of the number that are perfect squares. Okay, so our first step, we find perfect squares. So perfect squares are numbers are like 16, 25, 36, because 16 is equal to 4 square, 25 is equal to 5 square, 36 is equal to 6 square. And the reason why we're finding perfect square is that if we want to take the square root of a perfect square, let's say 4, take the square root of 4 square, that is just going to be equal to 4 itself. Let's recall the formula. Whenever we take a square root of something square, that would just be equal to the number itself, right? Okay, so the number of 90 has a factors of 9 multiplied to 10. So 90 is equal to 9 times 10. And we know 9 is a perfect square of 3. Thus, we will get root 90 is equal to root 9 times 10. And that's from there. And this is also be equal to 3 squared times 10, right? Because 3 times 3 is just equal to 9. And recall what we have about this part, because we take the square root of 3 squared, so that's just going to be 3 itself. So we can take that out from the radical sign. So we have 3 root 10 as our answer. Okay. And we can write our conclusion. Therefore, root 90 is equal to 3 root 10. Okay. Yeah. And one more thing. After getting the answer of 3 root 10, you can always substitute it back into the square root sign to check if your answer are valid or not. So 3 root 10 is also going to be equal to root 9 times root 10, right? Because they are both under square root sign, so we can put them together. So which is equal to square root 9 times 10, which is equal to square root of 90. Okay? Yep, and you find out that that's exactly what we have in the question, so our answer is correct. Okay, and let me just write a couple more perfect square for reference. Okay, so let's write it down here. So we have 49 is equal to 7 squared, and a squared is equal to 64. 9 squared is equal to 81, 10 squared is equal to 100, 11 squared is equal to 121, 12 squared is equal to 144, 13 squared is equal to 169, and 14 squared is equal to 196, and 15 squared is equal to 225. Yep. Yep. Okay, so I think that's all we got for this question. So let's leave a comment there. Solution is correct.